Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know if y'all are coming from another channel or if y'all have a channel yourselves. I will absolutely love to go and support you guys. And for all the people who have come back, thank you for supporting me and I just love you guys. So I am doing a haul. I have not done a haul in forever, and this is a Etsy haul. I bought some stuff for the upcoming November planner that I'm going to be doing the videos, playing with me's, and everything else. And I got shopped at my girl, Simply Kamy. Her stuff will be down below. Her YouTube channel, her Instagram, and her Etsy shop. She is an amazing YouTuber. I absolutely love her. She's one of my good friends, and we are both Asians. Love her, and she's just amazing. So I just want y'all to go and subscribe to her, go check out her shop, and go and buy her stuff because they are super cute. All right, you guys, so we are going to open this. It's just going to be super fast because I haven't done one in a while. What has been happening so far? I got my letter for nursing school, and I'm a little bummed I did not get in. So we're on a point system where out of 58... It's out of 58 points, and the cutoff was 37 points to get in for the spring semester, and I had 36 points. So I was 1 point off of getting in, but it's fine. It's not in God's plan for me to go into the spring semester of 2020, but I am determined to get into the fall semester, and I feel like that is what God is planning for me. So I'm just going to keep positive, save money so I don't have to take out a lot of student loans. But that is one of the big things that I got in news from so far, but I'm just keeping the positive, you guys. All right, so I got a lot of stuff. All right, she always gives you some extra little stickies. Like, she has her character stickers and her build do stickers, and it always like matches the theme. And then here's a little note from her, and I will leave that there for a second. So I got, oh my gosh, she threw in the, oh wait, no, I got this. See, I've never bought the, did I buy this? I'm pretty sure I bought this, right? Right? I think I did. I didn't. I didn't buy this. Did you add this, Kamy? I don't remember, but oh my god. Let me read what the note says. It says, let's see. Oh, she's so, oh my god, I love her. She's amazing. All right, so this is the freebie that she put in. I thought I bought it, but I guess I didn't. It is groceries. And this is super cute. I love going grocery shopping, and she knows that because she watches my videos on my grocery hauls, and I go grocery shopping like literally every day, almost once a week, and it's always up on Sundays. And then build do stickers. I'm so confused. See, it's been a week since I ordered this, and I just got home from a wedding up north. Did I get build do stickers too, or did she add those? She added these. So these are, I'm going to use these next month. So these are the build do stickers, and they are super, super cute. All right. Now I got payday stickers. They are yellow. I got a no spend stickers, and these are my like budget stickers. Oh, she put more. I love her. I had to restock all my build do stickers. So if you watch my videos, let me grab my my planner real quick. Now, if you watch my videos, my check-ins, this is what I use my stickers for, to track my budgeting and everything and how much I spend every week. So I had to restock because I was literally running out. So I got yellow, green. Yellow is fun money. Green is gas. This is out to eat, I believe. Cushion, groceries, and sinking funds. So I thought those were really, really cute. And she added her character stickers, which absolutely are super cute. I really want to use this. I really want like a weekly planner, not just for budgeting, but I can't remember what's it called, but it's just a regular like life planner that you fill out what you're going to do every single day. And I really want to get one of those so I can use some of these character stickers. But this is her character sticker, and this is Kim. She's super cute, and it looks like she is trying to save money. Absolutely love her. I love her, like, tongue sticking out. That's super cute, too. Alright, and then she added the work stickers, and that is super cute. It's light pink. I love that. And then this is the planner kit for November. Now it is blue. It's very fall-esque, and it is blue, and it's kind of like what's it called? Oh my gosh, I'm like drawing a blank. Can't believe I'm drawing a blank. It's the shirts. Oh my gosh, flannel shirts. So this is really cute. Blue's my favorite color, and orange is just goes really well with blue. All right, so we got sinking funds. We got some extra washies. I had to get more washies. I don't know how much comes in on just one washi, but one comes with it, and then I ordered some extra ones. Oh, and then I usually do goals, and I absolutely love her kits. So my goals, I've just been writing them out and making boxes, but she has a kit for her goals. So for November goals, I'm going to do it a little bit different. I'm still going to do my little boxes and everything and color it in, but I decided that I wanted to try this out. And I got all of this because it was like 10% off. She had a sale going on. It was a 10%. I missed a 15%, but it's fine. And then I got a bills, income, and then I got the weekly check-in. So that is everything that I got in my Etsy order, and absolutely love the free stuff that you got me. I absolutely love it. So you guys, please, please, please go and check her out. She's amazing. But I am going to end this video. I will see you guys later, and hopefully y'all will come back and visit. Make sure you go and check out my channel, and I love you guys. Bye.